From tactical to practical, One-Mark Consumer Products and Sandia National Laboratories are leading the way. Introducing BioRescue, technical solutions for global threats. What is it? BioRescue is a unique, advanced, all-in-one decontaminant, disinfectant, cleaner, deodorizer, and mold elimination product. It was developed for the U.S. Department of Defense, registered with the EPA, independently lab-tested, and covered by multiple patents on the formula and aerosol delivery system. What does it do? BioRescue kills 100% of listed pathogenic organisms and odor-causing bacteria. It is effective against mold, mildew, fungus, bacteria, viruses, and chemicals. Yet it is safe, fast, easy, non-toxic, non-flammable, non-corrosive, biodegradable, and environmentally friendly. BioRescue. Easy, quick, versatile, and available in multiple formats. Problems are resolved in 10 to 20 minutes or less without any mixing and can be used indoors or outdoors. BioRescue is available as a hand spray unit for surface application and as a fogger to remediate larger areas or HVAC systems. How does it work? BioRescue cleaves chemical biological organisms or molecules on contact by destroying the chemical structure at a molecular level, thereby disinfecting and neutralizing the treated products or surfaces. The molecular bonds are broken as opposed to just being covered up. Surfactant system also penetrates spore coatings, normally very resistant to biocides. This kill method does not allow organisms to develop resistance to BioRescue. The base alkalinity will lift fat, dirt, and grime, but does not require acid neutralization to buffer high levels of alkali. BioRescue loses effectiveness after 8 hours and evolves to a non-toxic inactive state, water, resulting in essentially no environmental impact. BioRescue is effective against a wide range of threats, including the extremely dangerous Salmonella, staph, including MRSA, E. coli and C. diff, norovirus, avian bird flu, foot and mouth disease, coronavirus, influenza A and B, hepatitis B and C, and many more. BioRescue neutralizes chemical threats such as mycotoxins, hydrogen and sodium cyanide, chlorine, malathion, anhydrous ammonia, carbon disulfide, diesel and other hydrocarbons, and many more. BioRescue even destroys WMDs like anthrax, ricin, sarin, VX, mustard, soman, and many others. BioRescue eliminates mold from surfaces and HVAC systems. As shown in the actual unretouched pictures using BioRescue, mold does not return. BioRescue kills green algae on surfaces, including fences, pool walls, and concrete. As shown in the actual unretouched pictures, using BioRescue, algae does not return. BioRescue deodorizes any area, leaving no odor behind, and is effective in any closed environment, such as hospital and hotel rooms, automobiles, offices, homes, public restrooms, and so on. BioRescue is proven, independently lab-tested, registered with the EPA, and is an FDA-registered drug product. The BioRescue formulation is currently used to decontaminate accident sites by fire department and disaster recovery services. Further, government and private agencies use BioRescue to decontaminate chemicals, biologicals, and unknown agents. Thank you for your consideration. For more information, please feel free to contact us.